Exposure to different weather conditions and pollution is a big challenge for exterior coatings on roofs, walls, and windows. As dirt accumulates on the surface, the coating appearance degrades over time. In coastal regions, fungi and algae flourish, and on dirty roofs, heat absorption increases. With Levasil CC, and thanks to the enrichment of colloidal silica particles on the coating surface, you get a less tacky and harder surface, which results in improved dirt pickup resistance. Water will form a film on the surface, and dirt will then run off with the water. The coating will maintain its performance, reducing the need for manual cleaning or recoating. Tests show that the lifetime of waterborne coatings can be extended by 25% when adding Levasil CC to your formulation.